Welcome to all. See, in our previous class, we have discussed some of the very important concepts regarding relations. Okay, so we have known the definition of relation, what is the meaning of domain of the relation, range of the relation, codomain of the relation. So, our last point in the last class was relations can be written both in roster form and set builder form. Okay, so let us continue our classes. I hope you have gone through my previous video. So then it is a continuation of that. So I have considered one example. So let us discuss some of the simple examples on relations in this session. Okay, so let us read the first example. See here, we have to be careful here. What is the relation given and how the relation is described, whether it is given in roster form or set builder form. So let us read the example. See, let A equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, observe here, only one set is given. Okay, a relation can be defined from set A to set B, or a relation can be defined from set A to itself. Okay, so here only one set is given. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A relation R, say capital R, is defined from say A to A. So relation is defined from set A to itself. And see, relation is defined as, see, this is our relation. See, this is very, very important. R is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. Then there are two sub questions here. First one is depict this relation by using an arrow diagram. So we have to show this relation by using an arrow diagram. Then second question is write down the domain, range and codomain of the relation R. Okay. So let us begin the solution here. So before beginning the solution here, see, observe this relation. So what is the given relation? So let me write that relation here. So given relation is, so we know relation means it is the subset of the Cartesian product. So here relation is given as x comma y such that, see, y is equal to x plus 1. See, this is set builder form. Relation is written in set builder form. See here, rule method or set builder form. So we have to write the same relation or convert the same relation to roster form. So I hope you are getting the idea. So here the relation is given in set builder form. See, x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. See, this is the first element and this is the second element of the ordered pair. We know this. So here relation between x and y. Where is the relation between x and y? See, this defines the relation between x and y. Okay, see, second element equals first element plus 1. So 1 more than the first element. So y is equal to x plus 1. What we told here is, see, relation means there should exist one relation between the elements. So where are our elements here? See, x comma y. What is the relation between x and y? See, y is equal to x plus 1. This is the relation. We have to keep this point in our mind. See, y is equal to, so let us, okay, y is equal to x plus 1. So what is given here? See, y is equal to x plus 1. It is the relation between x and y. See, what is the given set here? See, observe, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements belongs to set A. So we have to find out the pairs. Okay. See here, let me consider. See, if I give, say, I will go on giving the values here. So if x is equal to 1, so I will give 1. So what is the value of y? See, 1 plus 1. So value of y will be what? 2. So if x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So what is the ordered pair I got? So if x is equal to 1, see, I got y is equal to 1, 2. See, 1 more than, see, second element is equal to x plus 1. Second element is equal to 1 more than the first element. See, 2 means 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 1 more than that. Then if I give, see, x is equal to 2. Then if I give 2, say 2 plus 1, that will be what? 3. So then for this the ordered pair is this. So x is equal to 2, I got y as 3. Then if x is equal to, so let us give this 3. Then y is equal to what? Say 3 plus 1, that is what? 4. So if this is 3, then what is the value of y? Okay, value of y is 4. Then, so you go on giving the values. See, if x is equal to 4, so y is equal to what? 4 plus 1, that will be what? 5. Then if I give x is equal to 4, I got y as, value of y as 5. Then if x is equal to 5, see, y is equal to, so 5 plus 1, 6. So what is the, see, if x is equal to 5, y is equal to what? 6. See, I got this. So what happens if I take, say, x is equal to 6? See, if I give x is equal to 6, then what will be the value of I? See, x plus 1, that is 6 plus 1. See, 7. So 7 does not belongs to that set. See, given set contains only 6 is the element here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the last element. So we are getting y, value of y as 7, okay? Value of y is equal to 7. So x is equal to 6. We did not take x is equal to 6. So our value should stop at x is equal to 5. So value of y is what? 6. So this is my last pair. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6. So we have to work out this one. So our relation, see here, this is set builder form. So the same relation can be written as, so the same relation becomes, okay, I will write these ordered pairs now. So let me write these ordered pairs. Now the same relation can be written as, see, r is equal to, so what is the first pair here? See, 1, 2, then second pair is what? 2, 3, 3, 4, then 4, 5, okay, 4, 5, then 5, 6. See, now I got the relation. This is, see, roster form. So we have converted the given relation into, see, roster form. So both the same here. So 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6 is nothing but relation is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to x plus 1. What is the difference between these two methods? This is a set builder form, relation written in set builder form. It is a relation written in roster form. We have listed the ordered pairs. Okay. So a relation can be defined or can be given in set builder form or roster form. So that is the concept here. So let us consider the question here. See, first one. Okay, what is the first question? Depict this relationship by using an arrow diagram. So arrow diagram means we need two sets. Okay. So what is the set here? See, A to A. So in our previous class we have discussed that relations can be shown by diagrams called arrow diagrams. See, A to A. So my relation is defined from set A to itself. So what are the elements in set A? So I can list those elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the same element is here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, these are the elements from set A to set A. So then see, what are the ordered pairs? See, what are the ordered pairs? 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4. What is the meaning here? See, 1, 2 belongs to R, 2, 3 belongs to R, 3, 4 belongs to R, 4, 5 belongs to R. That means, what is the meaning here? 1 is related to 2. So I have to connect 1 to 2. See, 1 is related to 2. Then 2 is related to 3. See, observe carefully. It is a very simple example, very easy. Then 3 is related to 4. I have to connect 3 to 4. Then 4 is related to what? 5. Then 5 is related to what? 6. Okay, so I cannot take 6 because if I give x is equal to 6, so I get value of y as 7. So 7 does not belongs to set A. So I need not take. So 6 remains as it is. Just it is alone. So 1 is related to 2, 2 is related to 3, 3 is related to 4, 4 is related to 5, 5 is related to 6. So this is my arrow diagram for this relation. So that completes our first question. So what is the second question? See, write down the domain, range and codomain. So we know range means set of first elements of the ordered pairs of a relation. So let me write that domain here. So domain of the relation is, okay, see, domain means set of first, see, I can observe here only, or set of first elements means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set of first elements of the ordered pairs. So what are the elements here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the domain. Then range. See, range means set of second elements of the ordered pairs of the relation. That is called range of the relation. So range means we have to observe the second elements. So what are the second elements? See, second elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me write those. 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the range. Then codomain. See, codomain means, what is the definition of codomain? The whole set, second set is called codomain. In this case, relation is defined from set A to itself. Therefore, this set A. Okay. So whatever the set A given is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This thing will be the, see, codomain. Okay. So this completes our first example. See, observe carefully what we have done in this example. See, we have written the relation which is given in set builder form in roster form. Okay, so converted the relation into roster form. So how we have converted? See, observe here. We are x is equal to y such that, see, relation between x and y is given here. Y is equal to x plus 1. So if I take x is equal to 1, okay, if x is equal to 1, then what is the value of y? 1 plus 1, 2. So y is equal to 2. So 1, 2. If I give x is equal to 2, value of y is 3. So if I give x is equal to 3, value of y is 4. If I give x is equal to 4, value of y is 5. If I give x is equal to 5, value of y is 6. So all these are ordered pairs. So I have represented this relation by arrow diagram. Okay, so let us consider one more example. So let us consider the second example. Okay, let A is equal to 1, 2, 3, okay, up to 14. Define a relation R from A to A by R is equal to x comma y such that 3x minus y is equal to 0. X, y belongs to set A. Okay, this is the given relation. The question is, write down its domain, range and codomain. So very important. These are very important examples. I hope all of you are following. See, let us go for second question. Our first job is to read the problem correctly. Afterwards, we can write the problem in the notebook. See here, first let us consider the example. See, to define a relation, what are the requirements? To define a relation, we must have one set. At least we must have one set. So say if I have set A, then I can define a relation from set A to itself, as we done in our previous example. If I have two sets, say A and B, then I can define a relation from A to B. Okay. So in this example, so see here, observe here, one set A is given. Okay. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last element is what? 14. So it ends at 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So up to 14. It is a finite set. Last element is 14. So define a relation R. See, from, once again, they have defined a relation from set A to itself only. So set A to A. So how the set is given or defined? See, R is equal to, once again, okay, let me write the relation here clearly. See, R is equal to, see, relation is x comma y such that, so 3x minus y is equal to 0, where x and y are the elements belongs to the given set. See, this is, once again, they have given in rule method or set builder form. So relation is defined in set builder form. So relation is given in set builder form means we have to write the same set in roster form. Okay. So after writing the roster form means what? We have to list the ordered pairs inside the relation. Afterwards, we can draw the arrow diagram. Whatever. So here arrow diagram is not asked here. They have asked only, see, write down its domain, range and codomain. Okay. So the given relation is defined in set builder form. We have to convert that relation into roster form. So let me do it. So how I can convert that into roster form? See, observe this. Relation between x and y is given this 3x minus y is equal to 0. Okay. So here let me write that 3x. See, this is the relation between x and y. 3x minus y is equal to 0. So by using this relation, we can find out the ordered pairs. Okay. That we have to do it first. Afterwards, we can write the ordered pairs. So observe carefully what are the steps I am going to write here. See, my set contains 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14. So that we have to be careful here, 14. So go on giving the values for x here. Okay. So 3x minus y is equal to 0. So here, okay, he will give here. See, if x is equal to 1. So what happens if I give x is equal to 1? See, substitute x is equal to 1 here. 3 into, see, 3x. X means what? 1. minus y is equal to 0. Then 3 into 1 is 3. So 3 minus y is equal to 0, or 3 is equal to, so I shift minus y to right hand side, I get what? Y is equal to 3. See, if x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? 3. So I got the pair as, see, 1, 3. So this is x and this is y. So if x is equal to 1, what is the value of y? That is 3. See, if I put x and y here, I get 0 on the right hand side. See, 3 into 1, 3 ones are 3. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 3 is what? 0. So our ordered pairs should satisfy this, see, this relation. That's why we call it as a relation. So what is the relation between x and y? See, 3 times first element minus second element gives me 0. That is the relation between x and y. Okay, if x is equal to 2, I will take x is equal to 2. So if I give x is equal to 2, what is the value substitute here? 3x, x means 2. 3x minus y is equal to 0. See, 3 2s are 6. 6 minus y is equal to 0, or shift y to right hand side, I get y is equal to 6. So what is the ordered second ordered pair? If I give x is equal to 2, I got y is equal to what? 60, 2, 6. Okay, 2, 6. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 6, that will be what? 0. Then similarly, if I give x is equal to 3, then 3x means what? 3. 3x minus y is equal to 0. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus y is equal to 0, or 9 is equal to, shift y to the right hand side, I get y is equal to 9. So what is the next ordered pair? So if I give 3, value of y is what? 9. See, if I give x is equal to 3, I got y is equal to 9. So 3, 9 is my next pair. Okay, so we can check it here only. So if I give, okay, let me take another value. So if x is equal to, see, 4, then 3 into 4 minus y is equal to 0. 3 4s are what? 12. 12 minus y is equal to 0, or you shift minus y to right hand side, you get y is equal to what? 12. So what is the next ordered pair? See, 4, 12. So if I give x is equal to 4, so I get the value of y as, see, 12. So you must be wondering what happens if I give x is equal to 5. So let us check here. See, if x is equal to, if I take x is equal to 5, then what happens here? 3 into 5 minus y is equal to 0. 3 5s are what? 15. So 15 minus y is equal to 0. Then 15 is, see, y is, so if I give x is equal to 5, see, value of y will be what? 15. See, I get the pair as 5, 15, but here the element is what? See, last element is 14. So I cannot, so I got 15. I cannot take, say, x is equal to 5. Okay, we have to stop at x is equal to 4 only. So I think you are observing this. Say I got 4 pairs, 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 4 12. So I had to write all these ordered pairs inside the relation. That becomes roster method. So that I will do it in the next step. Okay, so I will write all these ordered pairs. So my roster form, see, this relation, same relation can be written as R is equal to, see, first pair is 1 3, 2 6, 3 9, 3 4, 12. See, this is roster method, as we done for our previous problem. See, roster method. So set relation was defined in set builder form. We have converted the relation into roster form. Okay. Now what is the question here? See, observe the question. So write its domain, range, and codomain. Okay. So then I can write the domain here. So domain means what? Set of, see, first elements of the ordered pairs in a relation. So what are the first elements here? That is 1, 2, 3, okay, 4. Then range. So range of the relation means, so I can take the set of second elements, that is 3, 6, 9, 12. Then codomain means the whole set, that is A. It is called as codomain. Okay, so here arrow diagram is not asked here in the question. See, they have asked only write down its domain, range, and codomain. So we can stop at this step. So if you want to write the arrow diagram, so we can write it. Okay, no problem. So A to A. So the relation is defined. See, I will write R. So what are the elements here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, up to what? 14. Then here also I can take 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, okay, 14. See, 1 is related to what? 3. So 1, 3. Then 2, 6. So 2 is related to, I can attach it to 6. Then 3 is attached to 9, or 3 is related to 9. Okay, I will write 9 here. 3 is attached to 9. Then 4 is attached to, say, 12. So in this way we can define the this arrow diagram. You can write the arrow diagram. So it's very simple example. Okay, let us go for third example. Okay, third example. So define a relation or on set of natural numbers n by r is equal to x y such that y is equal to x plus y, where x is a natural number less than 4. So question is depict this relationship in roster form, then write down the domain and range. Okay, domain and range. So this is also very important example. See, these are all very simple examples of relations. So in this session we are discussing about some of the simple examples of relations, how to convert the given relation in set builder form to roster form. So in our previous two examples we have converted the given relation to roster form. Similarly, same example here. So we have to keep an keen eye on this. See this. Okay, define a relation R. See, on set of natural numbers n. So here a relation is defined on the set of natural numbers by, see, R is equal to xy such that y is equal to x plus 5. See, condition is given. X is a natural number less than 4. Okay, so what is the x here? X is a natural number less than 4. That is the condition. So we cannot take a natural number greater than 4. It is a natural number less than 4. Then depict this relationship means write this relationship in roster form. That means this method is what? Set builder form. As usual, we have to convert this into roster form. Then afterwards write down the domain and range. Once again, in this example, you are not asked to draw arrow diagram. For every example, you can draw the arrow diagram, no problem. See here, relationship in roster form. Write down the domain and range. Okay, see, relation is defined on what? Set of natural numbers. Okay, let me write the given relation. See, given relation is, let me write it once again. See, ordered pair such that, see, what is the relation between two elements here? That is y is equal to x plus 5, and see, x is a natural number less than 4. Okay, I have written it symbolically. So x is a natural number. See, x is a natural number. X belongs to n. So and it is less than 4. Okay. See, this we have to be careful here. So we can give then what are the values x can take? See, x is a natural number less than 4 means what are the natural numbers less than 4? 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the values. Only I can take x is equal to 1, x is equal to 2, and x is equal to 3. Why? Because in the problem they have mentioned that x is a natural number less than 4 only. So these are the natural numbers less than 4. Then see, this y is equal to, what is given here? Y is equal to, okay, y is equal to x plus 5. See, then I will give the values here. See, if x is equal to 1, what happens here? If x is equal to 1, see, give 1 here. 1 plus 5, that is what? 6. Then if x is equal to 2, then it will be what? 2 plus 5, that is 7. Then if x is equal to 3, then y is equal to what? 3 plus 5, that is what? 8. Then, okay, what are the ordered pairs here? See, x is equal to 1, y is 6. If x is equal to 2, it is 7. Then if x is equal to 3, it is 8. Then my relation will be, See, first ordered pair is 1, 6. Second ordered pair is what? 2, 7. Then last ordered pair is 3, 8. See, this is roster form. I hope you are following this. See, what I have got this relation is as good as this. See, both these relations are same, but here relation is written in set builder form. We have converted into roster form. See, that was the question here. Depict this relationship in roster form. That is over. Then write down the domain and range. So now it is very, very easy here. See, domain. Domain means set of first elements. So okay, write down 1, 2, 3. Then range. So range is set of second element 6, 7, 8. See, 6, 7, 8. So this completes our solution for this problem. Okay. So if you want to draw the arrow diagram, so you can draw it. So no problem here. See, arrow diagram. I will draw the arrow diagram here. So the relation is defined from set n to n. Okay, let us draw the arrow diagram here only. See, they are not asked this, but still you can consider this. See, arrow diagram is, relation R is defined on set of natural numbers, means n to n. So relation is defined on the set of natural. So natural numbers means, so I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Then you can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. See, 1 is related to 6. So 1 is related to 6. Then 2 is related to 7. Then 3 is related to what? 8. Okay. So this is the arrow diagram concerned to this problem. Okay. So in this way we can convert the given relation in set builder form to roster form. So in all our previous examples, we have converted the roster form. Okay, set builder form into roster form. So let us go for next example. So let us go for next example. Let's say example 4. Okay, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5. B is equal to 4, 6, 9. Then what is the question here? See, define a relation. Define a relation. Relation R. So let me write it this one here. Relation R from A to B. By R is equal to X, Y such that the difference, see, observe here, the difference between X and Y is odd. X belongs to A, Y belongs to B. This is the relation given. So question is, write the relation in roster form. Okay, write the relation in roster form. See, observe the example carefully here. See, let us read the problem. In our previous 3 examples, only one set was given here, set A to itself. Okay, so observe the example here. If A equals 1, 2, 3, 5, so first set is A, another set is B, 4, 6, 9. So they have defined a relation R from set A to set B. Okay, relation is a subset of the Cartesian product. Relation is defined for this example from set A to set B. How it is defined? See, once again, relation is equal to X. Okay, X comma Y such that, see, the difference between X and Y is odd, where X belongs to first set, this we know, second, Y belongs to second set. See, the difference, what is the relation between X and Y? See, so what we say, every in between every element, see, in a pair, there must exist a relation. What is the relation between X and Y here? The difference between X and Y is odd. That means That means, see, if I take a pair, say x comma y, then difference between x and y means x minus y. See, this difference should be odd, not even. Difference should be odd. We have to write those ordered pairs. So that's why we have to read the problem carefully. Then you go for the answer. See, write the relation R in roster form. That's the question. Okay, we have to convert this set builder form into roster form. Okay, see, relation is already given in the problem here. See, the difference between x and y is odd. See, observe carefully. Here set A is given and set B is given here. A and B is given means Cartesian product A cross B is there. Okay, so how many elements will be present in A cross B? So you do not write A cross B. Simply see here. If I write A cross B, see, n of A cross B means how many elements here? 4 elements. Then in this we have 3 elements. So 4 3 so how many I will get? 12. See, there will be 12 elements or 12 ordered pairs in Cartesian product. Out of those 12 ordered pairs, we need not write all the 12. We have to write only the ordered pairs which follow these rules. The difference between x and y is odd. Okay. So out of 12 ordered pairs, we have to write only the pairs which follow this property. Okay, let me write this. Okay, given relation is this. Okay, let us take. See, let me write this one. Only one step. Okay, this will be considered as a 1 mark question. It is not a 3 marks or 4 mark question. Okay, see, relation is. Let us write it in roster form. See, before writing this, keep that point in your mind. So there will be 12 ordered pairs. What are the ordered pairs we are going to write? So we can write the ordered pairs whose difference is, see, difference between x and y is odd. So this you must keep in mind. X minus y should be odd. This is the relation between this. So okay, so what are the ordered pairs from set A to set B? See, 1 4. So can I write 1 4? So if I write 1 4, see 1 4. What is the relation here? 1 minus 4 is odd. So if I subtract 1 minus 4, so 1 minus 4 is what? See, minus 3. Okay, 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 3. See, minus 3 means it is, of course, it is odd. Okay, minus 3 is odd. So I can write 1 4. Then this is the first pair. Next I can take, see, I begin from 1. So if I begin from 1, 1 4. See, 1 6. See, 1 6. 1 6 means what? 1 minus 6. So 1 minus 6 means difference is what? Minus 5. So that also I can write. Okay, so beginning with 1, I can write 1 4 and 1 6. So why I have written these two pairs? Because the difference is odd. Then okay, then see, 1 9. Can I write 1 9? See, 1 9. See, one difference, 1 minus 9. That is, see, this is E1. See, minus 8. It is E1. So this pair does not follow this property. So we cannot write this here. It doesn't belong to our relation. I cannot write 1 9 because difference is what? E1. So we have to write only the pairs whose difference is odd. So let me list. So we start from 2. Okay. So start from 2 here. See, 2 4. So I can